Okay, so we've got most of the cars down here in St Calobre, where there is a mountain stage on the way out, so we wait until everyone's down and then we head off. I thought I'd take you around the car park and show you what fantastic stuff is here. There's Mr. Richard and Andy Caddock. Josh, who's been a legend on the spanners. Rob and Tim there. John Fordy's car. Oh, look at that just turning up. Renault 5 Turbo 2. Looks lovely. Mitsubishi Evo. Sweet 205. There's rather a lot of 911s here. A lot of German 911s. And some of these are fast as a fast thing, unfortunately. They're fairly hard to, well, impossible to really compete with for the likes of us. Lovely E-Type. There's a few disasters this morning when the stage was stopped because quite a few people went off. Let's see what else is here. Rothman's colours, Brumos colours. Oh, hadn't noticed that. Still going. He's running on the road a little in front of me. Steve Perez's Escort, E30 M3, 308 GT, and Group 4 car, which is beautiful, husband and wife team. I think they're running 3rd or 4th or something. Some of these Porsche are really powerful, 300 horses. Short Quattro. I'm sure you guys are like looking at this. It's very incredible. 3-door Cosworth. Let's see what else we got here. 205 Maxi. I think that's what it is. The Amigos Stratos that didn't quite make it all the way through the RAC, but this is a proper piece of kit with Steve Perez. I recognise them. Another Evo. One of our friends and customers, Jeff Olson, in his 5 Alpine Turbo. Integrale. Lotus Cortina. Another Group 4 Escort, a few of them around. Group 4 911. Oh, that's had a little go with a barrier by the look of it. Okay. Running as a course car, the new Stratos. And a few GT3s. Hot looking Alfa. And Fiat 124 Rally. I like that. Oleo or Fiat. Absolutely cool. Little Renault, I think a Renault Dauphine. This guy's running on the road in front of me. Group 4 911. What else we got? Cosworth. Proper Clio Maxi, I think. Another Evo. Cosworth. And Pretzer. So there we are. That's what we got. And we got a bit of blue skies, which you're grateful for. And the boys in the service team doing fantastic. So thanks to them that we're all up and going.